So on screen we have two questions. The first is what is natural rate of unemployment. The second one is does full employment mean no unemployment? Now to answer these two questions, firstly we need to know the concept of full employment. So let's just proceed. So full employment refers to a situation in which all those people who are willing and able to work, able means they are physically and mentally fit to work at the existing wage rate, they get work without any difficulty. So here the demand for labor is equal to the supply of labor. Generally, but we thought that full employment mean or it is equal to zero unemployment, or you can say no unemployment, which means we have believed that everyone is working. However, it does not mean everyone is working. So full employment is always explained in the context of labor force, that is in the context of working population, not total population. Here the children and old persons will not be considered as they are not supposed to be employed during full employment. So, full employment does not mean no unemployment, or you can say zero unemployment, because there are imperfections in the labor market. So, due to the imperfections, some natural unemployment will exist even in the situation of full employment. So as we said that under full employment, there are two types of unemployment, that is frictional unemployment and the second one is structural unemployment. So frictional unemployment, it is the temporary unemployment and it exists during the period where worker leaves one job and they join another. So you are temporarily out of work while moving from one job to another. Okay. Second one, we have the structural unemployment, and as the name suggests, it occurs due to the structural changes. For example, there is a change in production technology. So if we have the mismatch between the skills of job seekers and the type of workers the employer need, then it is in structural unemployment. For example, due to computerization, so workers who do not possess enough knowledge of computers, they will be unemployed until they undergo some training or computer course. So let's just have a quick recap of what we read. So important notice, full employment is a situation in which all those people who are willing and able to work, they get work without any difficulty at the existing wage rate. However, full employment does not mean no unemployment or zero unemployment, because under the situation of full employment, some natural unemployment will exist, that is frictional unemployment and structural unemployment. So as I answered your second question, so now let's move to the first question, that is what is natural rate of unemployment. So as per the meaning of it, it is the minimum rate of unemployment that must always exist in the economy. Now in the above slide, as I said that in the situation of full employment also, some natural unemployment will exist. So that natural unemployment is nothing but the frictional unemployment and structural unemployment. However, while estimating the total size of an unemployment, these two types of unemployment is not considered. It is a situation in which all those people who are willing and they are also able to work at existing wage rate, but they do not get work. So people are ready and they are able to work at existing wage rate, but they do not find jobs because jobs are not available in the labor market. So this one is considered while estimating the total size of an unemployment. Now, because we are talking about unemployment and we have read the three types of unemployment so far, so let's just read one more, which is voluntary unemployment. There are always some people who don't wish to work, they just want to chill. So when people don't wish to work at the existing wage rate, they are not treated as unemployed. Means how can you treat them unemployed? Because they don't want to work. So let's just summarize. So we have full employment, FE, which does not mean no unemployment or zero unemployment. So even in the situation of full employment, some natural unemployment will exist, and that natural level of unemployment is the minimum rate of unemployment always exist in the economy, which will always exist in the economy. And we have read four types of unemployment so far, and out of that, only involuntary unemployment. So this is not employment, this is unemployment, is considered while estimating the total size of an unemployment.